Hi guys, welcome to topic 5.7 Plan Communication Management. Communication is a very critical tool in project management. It describes how project communication will be planned, structured, monitored, and controlled. The plan contains the following information: stakeholder communication requirement. The requirement of the stakeholder communication is very clearly defined in the project charter. One needs to follow that strictly to know what is expected by the respective stakeholders. The next in line is information to be communicated. Information to be communicated includes the language, format, content, and the level of detail. It needs to be sent accordingly. The reason for distribution. The reason for distribution, whether it's only for information purpose or is it an action item for which a response is expected. Time frame and frequency of the distribution. How often do they expect the response or a level of communication? Is it daily basis, like the teams that work on the project? Is it on a weekly basis as some of the key stakeholders require it? Or is it on a monthly basis as a project progress report? That needs to be defined. Next is the person responsible for communicating the information. Who's supposed to send out this information? This is followed by who's authorized to release the information. Is it the project manager? Is it the planning manager? This needs to be clarified. Who will receive the information? Is it an individual or is it a group organization who will receive the information? This needs to be specified. Methods used for conveying the information. Is it the memo type? Is it the email? Or is it the press release? And finally, use of flowcharts. Flowcharts basically help you with possible sequence of authorization, list of reports, and meeting plans, etc. This needs to be strictly mentioned in the plan. So guys, this brings you to the end of topic 5.7. Thank you.